Did you know that Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are the top-selling candy in the United States? That's right, this sweet and salty treat has won over millions of fans. But have you ever wondered what goes into making each perfect cup? Let's dive into the surprising process behind how Reese's became a candy aisle favorite. Before we dive into how Reese's are made, let's take a quick look at its history. The story starts with Harry Burnett Reese, a former dairy farmer who found his passion in candy making. In the 1920s, Reese worked for the Hershey Chocolate Company, which inspired him to try combining chocolate and peanut butter. In 1928, in his basement, Reese created the first Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, mixing two flavors that would become a classic. The Peanut Butter Cup quickly became popular for its rich taste and affordable price, especially during the Great Depression. It was a go-to treat for people looking for a small treat in hard times. Reese's passion turned his basement business into a successful company, making the candy a favorite in America. After Reese's death in 1956, the Hershey Company bought the brand, helping it grow even more. With Hershey's support, Reese's reached more people and became even more popular. The candy's success wasn't just luck, it became a key part of Hershey's business, bringing in billions in sales every year. Today, Reese's is America's top-selling candy, famous for its bright orange packaging and many different versions. From Reese's Pieces to special flavors, the brand keeps coming up with new ideas while staying true to its origins. Now, let's take a look at how this favorite treat is made. The magic of Reese's starts with its carefully chosen ingredients: peanuts, chocolate, and sugar. These three ingredients create the classic flavor, making sure every bite tastes just like the one millions of people love. Peanuts. The main ingredient come from American farms that grow high-quality runner peanuts. After they're harvested, they're cleaned, shelled, and roasted in controlled ovens to bring out their rich flavor. This process releases their natural oils and improves their smell. Once roasted, the peanuts are sent to Hershey's facilities to be turned into the creamy filling Reese's is famous for. The chocolate starts as cocoa beans grown in tropical places like West Africa, where farmers ferment and dry them to develop their flavor. The dried beans are then sent to Hershey's facilities, where they are turned into smooth milk chocolate. The process includes grinding the beans into cocoa liquor and tempering it to give it a smooth texture and shiny finish. Sugar and other sweeteners help balance the strong taste of the peanuts and rich chocolate. Sourced from trusted suppliers, these sweeteners blend smoothly with the other ingredients to boost the overall flavor. Together, these ingredients form the perfect combination, a mix of textures and flavors that make Reese's one of the most loved candies in the world. From the crunchy roasted peanuts to the creamy chocolate covering each bite, every step helps create this classic treat. The peanut butter filling is the heart of Reese's, giving it the unique flavor and texture that makes it special. The process begins with high-quality roasted peanuts, chosen for their rich taste and natural oils. These peanuts are ground into a chunky paste using special equipment, keeping their natural texture and enhancing their strong flavor. This step helps maintain the peanut's true taste for an authentic experience. Unlike the smooth peanut butter in jars, Reese's filling has a slightly gritty texture, which is intentional to create a unique feel. This texture pairs perfectly with the creamy chocolate shell, and the coarseness lets the natural oils and flavors of the peanut butter stand out in every bite. The balance of texture and flavor has been carefully perfected to make each Reese's cup instantly recognizable. After grinding, the peanut paste is mixed with sugar, salt, and stabilizers. The sugar adds sweetness, while the salt boosts the flavor. Stabilizers keep the filling's texture smooth, prevent oil separation, and help maintain the signature consistency. Each batch is carefully tested to make sure it meets Reese's quality standards. The finished filling is stored in large temperature-controlled vats, where the conditions are carefully watched to keep its flavor and freshness. These vats are important for keeping the peanut butter ready for the next step without losing its special qualities. This storage system helps make sure the filling stays fresh and flavorful when it's combined with the chocolate shell. This careful process from choosing the peanuts to the final mix shows the dedication to making the perfect peanut butter filling, a big reason behind Reese's lasting popularity and success. Each step involves care, passion, and creativity to create a treat that has lasted for years. Reese's chocolate coating is just as famous as its filling, with the perfect mix of sweetness and creaminess. The process starts by blending cocoa, milk solids, sugar, and cocoa butter to make a rich, smooth mixture. The chocolate is then tempered to give it the right texture, shine, and strength. Tempering means carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to align its fat crystals, giving it a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when you bite into it. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds shaped like the classic Reese's cup. The molds are vibrated to remove air bubbles, making sure the coating is smooth and even. This first layer of chocolate forms the base of the cup, creating a strong yet light shell to hold the peanut butter filling. Each step is carefully controlled to keep the chocolate's texture and famous flavor just right. With the chocolate base ready, the peanut butter filling is added. Special machines deposit the right amount of filling into each mold. The filling is carefully measured to make sure every cup has the perfect peanut butter to chocolate ratio, which is a key part of Reese's consistency. Next, the final layer of chocolate is added. More tempered chocolate is poured over the peanut butter filling, sealing it and forming the classic Reese's cup shape. The molds then go through a cooling tunnel, where the chocolate hardens and keeps the filling in place. This cooling process is important to make sure the product stays intact and doesn't melt during packaging and shipping. Once the cups are fully made, they are carefully taken out of the molds and sent to the wrapping station. Each cup is wrapped in its signature orange foil, which helps protect it and makes it look appealing. The foil keeps the peanut butter and chocolate fresh and ensures the Reese's cups keep their familiar, recognizable look on store shelves. The wrapped cups are then packed into the familiar Reese's packaging, from single serving packs to larger family-size ones. The packaging is made to keep the product fresh and last longer. The bright orange design and Reese's logo make it easy to spot and stand out in the crowded candy aisle. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are then shipped to stores around the world, ready to bring joy to candy lovers everywhere. Whether in a convenience store, supermarket, or holiday display, the recognizable Reese's packaging makes sure a sweet chocolate and peanut butter treat is never far away for those craving a snack. To keep Reese's high quality, every step of production is carefully checked. Additives like lecithin are used to make the chocolate smooth, while preservatives help keep it fresh. Regular testing makes sure each batch meets Hershey's standards from flavor and texture to appearance. Advanced technology like sensors and human checks ensures every Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is perfect. Any product that doesn't meet the standard is recycled or thrown away to keep things consistent. The company also focuses on food safety and being environmentally responsible, making sure the product is both high quality and sustainable. These careful steps guarantee every Reese's cup tastes just like people expect. From simple ingredients to a perfectly made treat, the story of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups shows innovation, care, and a love for candy making. Every step from choosing the best chocolate to getting the peanut butter filling just right shows the brand's focus on quality. Each cup carries a tradition of craftsmanship that keeps growing while staying true to the classic taste loved by fans for generations. The next time you open a Reese's, you'll know the effort that went into making it. Whether you enjoy it slowly or eat it all at once, one thing is clear: Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are more than just candy, they're a part of candy history. Their lasting popularity shows that when you get the basics right and stay true to what works, success follows. Which part of the process amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sweet insights. See you next time.